come closer, let me tell you. In your skin, right, you have oxygen molecule. I'm going to talk about, it's about to become your new best friend. It's actually gone. I'm just going to throw it away. Your new favorite ingredient, your new lifesaver. You're about to throw away your enemies, okay, by just using this ingredient. Just throw everybody away, because this is about to be your new, you don't need anyone else. You don't need nobody. You got this ingredient. That's it. That's it. That's all you need in life, man. You don't even need food, okay? You probably need food to live, but you know what I mean. You get what I mean? You get the flow. You get where I'm coming from, right? Okay. Even that skin tone, brightens skin and helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Boom. What else do you need? Those are like the three things, like apart from, glowing skin, hydrated skin, bright skin. The other three things that are just beneficial. Like, you're just gonna glow. Like, people gonna look at you, they'll be like, girl, I'm blind by your glowing skin. You be like, what? I don't know what you're talking about. Hi, Lovelies, welcome to Valento skincare. And everyone, bright skin, hydrated skin, glowing skin, you're in the right place. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it, okay? First of all, I just want to say I hope everyone's safe. I hope you're safe and healthy, your friends and your family. And I know it's really hard times right now, but let's hang in there and I'm gonna be okay. We're all gonna be fine. We just stay strong, guys, okay? If you step outside your door, I see you, okay? I have people everywhere. Please? So today we're going to be talking about vitamin C. Now, I know a lot of you have heard about the word vitamin C right from when you were a kid. So mom's like, oh my god, eat your oranges, eat your lemons, or eat your spinach, or your broccoli. Vitamin C is good for you. Yes, it's great for you. But today we're going to take it up a notch. We're going to talk about why it's great for your skin and why it's necessarily not beneficial to take it from food, but beneficial to take it from serums and moisturizers and so many other products as well. Let's get right into it. Did you know that your skin regenerates itself approximately every 28 days? I know. Did you also know that vitamin C is the most abundant antioxidant in your skin? I know, it's facts. I'm all about facts. I hit you with facts and I explain, because this is a fun game for all of us. Okay, come closer, let me tell you. In your skin, right, you have oxygen molecules. And sometimes those oxygen molecules can lose apart, become an oxidant, also known as free radicals. Okay? With me? I hope you're still with me, okay? Don't run away. Free radicals are your skin cells' DNA. So new skin cells form from bad DNA and exactly old skin cells. That's why they're from wrinkles and dark spots, right? So how do we get those wrinkles and dark spots? From numerous things: sun exposure, pollution, alcohol, smoking. I know, like, for example, alcohol and smoking are things that are just part of life, for some people. And it's okay, completely okay. Just be cautious and be wise and limit your intake, because that's everything. For healthy skin, just gotta be cautious. Remember I mentioned vitamin C is the most abundant antioxidant in your skin. What is an antioxidant? An antioxidant is a compound that can basically donate or receive an electron from a free radical. So basically what this does then is that it stops this dangerous chain of reactions that can cause free radicals. Now it's great to remember that if these chains of reaction aren't stopped, guys, they can actually bump into things in the cells such as DNA and protein, which can lead to cancer or cell death. Has anyone ever told you that vitamin C is great for wrinkles? No? I'm telling you now, it is, okay? It is great for wrinkles. You know why? See, that it contributes to collagen biosynthesis, which then leads to its effect of helping with smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. Collagen is the building block of your skin, guys. It's a beautiful, amazing protein. That's why when you're young, your skin is soft, it's firm, it's plump, because when you're young, you've got a lot of collagen giving you that lovely skin. So that's why you have to take care of your skin when you're in your teens or your 20s, because you're going to thank me when you're in your 40s or your 50s or your 60s. Guys, take care of your skin. Love your skin. Just take care of it. Be gentle and take care of it. You're going to appreciate it so much when you get older. Now, I've covered how vitamin C is a great antioxidant and it helps you with collagen biosynthesis. If this just isn't enough to make this product or this ingredient your new best friend, let me tell you one more thing it can do for you. Bright skin, man. That's it. Cut off right there. That's it. Mag drop. Even if you don't care about the other two things, bright skin. Vitamin C is also well known for its pigmentation effect. Boom. Even skin tone, great complexion. Right in there, okay? Vitamin C is really well known for its anti-pigmentation effects, right? It interacts with the enzyme tyrosinase. Now, guys, if you haven't watched my video on ablution and I talk about how ablution is really great for lightening your skin naturally, go watch that video because I also explain tyrosinase, but I'm still going to explain it here. Tyrosinase is responsible for the melanin deposition of the skin, so any age spots, sunspots, or spots caused by scarring, tyrosinase, baby. Tyrosinase. And vitamin C comes in and blocks that action. How it does that? Vitamin C gets into the active site of tyrosinase, right? And stops the copper ions from being in the right place, therefore rendering the enzyme inactive. Therefore, you have less pigmentation being deposited in the skin, giving you bright skin and glowing skin and even skin tone. Vitamin C is water soluble, which means that our bodies doesn't actually produce it or store it naturally, right? So basically it's completely broken down in the small intestine and also helps down the breakdowns of other compounds as well, such as iron. But the great news is that you can put it back into your skin by applying it topically. It's actually been proven by research that you can absorb up to about 20 times more vitamin C by applying it topically onto your skin, and you can therefore get more benefits out of it. The most potent form of vitamin C is l-ascorbic acid. That is the pure form. That is what you're looking for when you're trying to get a vitamin C product. Sometimes you can't get it in that form, right? But there are derivatives, right, that have been proven to be also gold standards of vitamin C, and I'm going to talk about 2 derivatives because there are so many. Oh my god, guys, you have no idea. There are so many of them. I'm going to talk about 2 that I think are great and I think you should look for in your ingredient list. First derivative, THC. This is the gold standard of vitamin C. This is tetrahexacycl-ascorbic, right? Now remember I mentioned vitamin C is water soluble, right? THC has been modified to be lipid soluble, which means that it penetrates skin a lot better, giving the benefits a lot better as well. 3 major benefits of THC is that it brightens the skin, lightens hyperpigmentation, and is oil soluble. Number 2, MAP. This is magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. It is a water soluble derivative of vitamin C. MAP has 3 major benefits. It brightens, smooths, and evens out skin tone, and also increases hydration level. Plus, it's water soluble and also stable. Now, I just want to let you guys know that vitamin C is highly unstable, meaning that it can easily oxidize, therefore becoming less effective as time goes on. So it's also beneficial to remember that when you get a vitamin C, these are the 2 products I've been loving recently. So this one's actually gone. I'm just gonna throw it away. So anyways, this is the one that I'm using currently. So that's just an empty. So this is the pure vitamin C serum by Purito. Absolutely amazing. There's no fragrance in it. It's beautiful, and I love that it comes in a pump form. I don't really like droppers a lot for some products because I just find that if it's in a pump form, it's more aseptic, it's more hygienic as well, because you're not having direct contact with the actual product that's in the bottle, because all you're doing is pumping it onto your skin like so, and you don't actually deal with anything in here, which is what you need to keep hygienic, right? Because it's going on your skin. That goes on lovely and smooth. So I'm trying to show you guys this here. Okay, let me show you guys this right here. I'm trying to block the light. I'm still trying to learn how to block the light from showing you guys products, but can you see that? Okay. Vitamin C serum. Purito. I love Purito products. I'm gonna put a link to this down below for you guys to give it a try. I absolutely love this. It's gorgeous. So I just want to let you guys know that it's great to remember that when you're shopping for vitamin C product, I know you want to be looking for either l-ascorbic acid, which is the most potent form, or you're looking for 2 derivatives that I've mentioned, such as THC or MAP. It's good to know that it's not just going to list vitamin C in the ingredient list. It's going to have the scientific name. So if you guys want me to do a video on how to read ingredient list, leave your comments down below, and I'm happy to do that for you guys, definitely. So remember I mentioned that vitamin C is highly unstable. So when you're looking for products as well, always make sure that it's in the brown bottle or acrylic bottle like this one, because that stops light from getting in, therefore protecting your products from being exposed to sunlight, which is what you do not want, because then it oxidizes, therefore leading to less effect. I also recommend roughly something between 10 to 20%. That's going to give you effective results and also great benefits as well. So don't go for anything less, like 2%. I don't think there's anything with 2%, but you know, so that's what you need, guys. Okay, so I recommend this, and I also recommend 2 products. So I know Paula's Choice have the C15 booster, which is amazing. So Drunk Elephant's got the C firmer serum, which is also amazing. I think ascorbic acid is like the 2nd or 3rd ingredient on the ingredient list. Those are also beneficial as well. Now I would just recommend when you start using a new product to give yourself a patch test. So put it behind, why am I touching my hair? So put it behind your ear for at least 24 hours, a little bit of the product, and see how you react to any of the ingredients in the ingredient list. And also, guys, I always recommend you checking your dermatologist if you're pregnant or you have other skin concerns, you want to try a new product, just seeing how it is. And please be gentle with your skin, be patient with your skincare routine, just be patient with your skincare products as well. This is our journey. We're on together. We're all on, you know. You're not gonna have perfect skin 365 days of the year. Come on, there's nobody out there that has perfect skin 365 days of the year. I'm breaking out right now here and here, and that's just it. It's just life. You know, you can arrest me, you can arrest anybody, but you're just not gonna have perfect skin. You know, if people are still using ingredients that are not for your skin types, if you're still using products that are not for your skin types, throw it away. Because go watch my video on how to find your skin type, so you know beneficial products for you. But vitamin C is good for all skin types, you know. Oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, combination skin. It's perfect. It's an antioxidant, helping you fight free radicals while also brightening your skin. It's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Now, because I know you're ready this far, why don't you just hit the subscribe button? Because I know you're going to save this video, because I know you're going to have a look at the products I've recommended, because I know you're going to go on my Instagram. Why don't you just subscribe to this channel, to this beautiful family, join our family where we're going to glow and grow together and just be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just join this beautiful, beautiful, amazing family. Drop your comments down below if you've got any questions about anything. I'm here, we're here, I'm always here, you know, just anything. Hit me with anything, guys, okay? Now, if you're not familiar with some of the words we're throwing around, like oxidants and free radicals, go have a look on my Instagram. I have a lovely, lovely little visual there, so if you can bring that along with you if you're shopping for any new vitamin C product. Already using vitamin C products that are great for you. Girl, spill some tea. Drop your products down below. Let us know so we can check those products out too. Maybe we're not aware of them yet, okay? Share the love, share the glow, share the brightness of your skin. Let us know, girl. Let us know. Drop it in the comments, sister. Okay?